Morning traders, in front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system, crucial critical hourly levels. These levels we identified many days in advance. This was first Alpha Fibonacci resistance bright pink line. Took price more than 24 hours to break through this level. When this level is out, bullish trend becomes major. Yesterday morning, please pick up a video if you missed the events. This was critical resistance. We were on standby. We discussed that pullback is crucial. And when pullback played out, this was expected. Institutions once again stepped in viciously, buying this market. This morning, stunning opportunities at the open, but now price in ultimate chop. Ultimate chop nowadays is a typical case scenario for one simple reason. Institutional rally overextended. More and more chop is present. There are absolutely no institutional sellers in this market. Institutions simply holding positions, adding to their longs. And that's the reason for this scroll. So if I go back right now to this hourly chart and I change this chart to 5 minute, these are the events of this week. And this is how you stay out of trouble. Yesterday morning you knew extremely well this is not the place to buy. If you do, success rate a lot less than 20%. Intelligent trader never buys into resistance. 7 hours of chop. Finally, market crashes. Intelligent trader who buys with institutions looking to buy the bottom, adding in European Open. And when opportunity plays out, at US Open, stunning place to buy. Not here. We expected selling pressure. Software also told us so. This is your trading range this morning. Software for NinjaTrader 8. Software is not required. But when you're using software, you can place a trade on any platform. Short in a progress. Intelligent trader, very well prepared. Nothing else needed ever. And when the price will come to this support, intelligent trader will absolutely monitor for bullish reversal. But first things are first. No speculation in these markets. None are present. And this is stress-free trading, even during the worst market conditions. So if you know in advance where Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is, if you understand how simple pure price really is, you can trade any instrument you choose. Choice is yours. Buy from support, sell from resistance. Trade with institutions and not against them. And remember to never ever short into Alpha Fibonacci support. If institutions buying the markets, buy with institutions, not against them. It doesn't matter what chart you trade. Choice is yours. It's black and white traders. More challenging markets ahead. And when Dow will reach Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone at 29,000 level, you need to be prepared. Because after quiet, there is always a storm. Expect extreme volatility ahead. With very basic pure price, very bright red and green zones, you are very well prepared. You are not gambling. You are not chasing markets. You are strategizing very, very carefully. And if you can deal with such brutal market conditions, you can trade in any market. Because at the end of the day, trading is a mind game. So give yourself a favor. Do not overcomplicate the markets. Do not block your vision of the price. Pay attention to what matters. The only thing that matters is pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. Nothing else is needed ever. So here are our incredible students again. Ken, dash 7%, 88 for 88 trades. As Scott says, crypto can wait to hit. Boom, my dear and pleasure, Scott. What an incredible, spectacular attitude. Took off surrender yesterday using the system, and wow, what a timing. Scaling out stage 2 of some crypto holdings this morning. 806% of 500 link, 243 on Atom USD. Boom! Phenomenal, breathtaking, spectacular. I love it. Means the world. God bless the FTI. Thank you, Scott. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Breathtaking. Stunning. 806%. Ken. As Ken confirms, LNK is not done at all. Absolutely, I could not agree with Scott more. Patience is all. And why scaling critical, especially if you swing trade Alpha Fibonacci system. Sensational performance by our traders. You decide what you want to trade. In front of your system on 1 minute Dow. In front of your trading range. We knew this well before it played out. So during such critical times, do not create stress. Alpha Fibonacci system is very pure and very simple. You will never, ever, ever need anything else again. Buy and sell zones in advance. With a scanner, it's a stress-free trading. If you don't want to day trade, utilize everything long term, as traders do all over the world, trading any instrument they choose, on any account, with ultimate accuracy. That's it. And this is what Scott has done on stocks. Boom. Look at the value. May 20th account at 4 million. August 2020 at 6.5 million. That's it. Brad just sent an email. 10 trades in the month of July. This is what the account looks like. Boom. Flawless. You will never need anything else. 120 points That's all you need. 120 points per month on lot size. Look what you can do. Look at the win rate. 100% with the exception of 2 days. That's it. And that's the power of the system. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. If Alpha Fibonacci traders can do it, so can you. Simply look at the scanner or decide what you want to trade. You do not need a software. Software makes everything a lot easier. And when the scanner gives you alert, you are not surprised. It's coming from support. Correct? That's it. That's the power of the system. You will never need anything else. So again, this is performance by one of our students on S&P Mini Future. 120 points on S&P. 120 points on S&P, $50 per point. Do the math. On one lot, $6,000. On 10 lots, $60,000. On 20 lots, $120,000. So imagine what's possible if you start making an effort. If you stop chasing magic bullet, if you start simply concentrating on pure price and alpha Fibonacci retracements. So if you have not listened to Brad's podcast yet, please do. You just seen his recent performance. Please view video he shared about his journey. How prior he made $9 an hour. And see what his performance is now. It is phenomenal. Brad tried for 20 years before. You saw what Ken shared in the room. You saw Emmanuel in the room, our legend, 14-year-old Dominic on vacation. So if you want to trade as Scott does, as you can see in this video, if you want to trade as Brad, as Ken, as Dominic, as Emmanuel does, I look forward working with you. Simply choose from the option available on the website. You can trade on any platform, but if you want to trade with Ninja 8 software, that option available to you. 3 months live course or 6 months private mentoring. All includes video library, all includes modules. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to call or email me. Simply click on Contact Us section and I look forward speaking with you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And what do you see just happen on Dow? Boom! Bullish rally is in. Did we know or did we know? Of course, this is a place to buy. Software gave an alert. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pretty please. Obey Alpha Fibonacci rules and you will never, ever, ever need anything else again. As bullish rally continue moving in the right direction, because intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader only looking to buy from support, never ever shorting into. And this is market for the last hour. We knew this well in advance. No speculation here.